I recently made about $500 online from simply watching TikTok videos. You can earn $4 for every single TikTok video that you watch. If you watch 2 TikTok videos, you will earn $8, and watching 4 videos will earn you a good $16. You can even earn up to $600 and even much more just by watching more and more TikTok videos. Now the first thing you need to do is go to TikTok, and I want you to go to the search bar here and type in viral funny videos. And as you can see, these types of videos get millions of views. Most of them are over 10 million views, which means there is high demand for them. People love watching them. In just a moment, I will show you how to take advantage of these videos and make the most money. Now the next step is you just want to go ahead and choose one of these videos. Here, for example, let me pick this one right here. It seems like a great one. What you want to do now is watch the full video just to make sure that it's a good video. But then in case you didn't like it, just try another video. I only want you to do this method to the videos you like because that means other people will love them too. Now for this case, I'm going to use this video as an example because I think it's a great one. It also has good amount of views and likes. Now the next thing you have to do after watching the video is take a screenshot from the video. So I'm going to do that using my computer. But you can also do it from a smartphone. And here is the screenshot that I took from the video. It seems pretty good too. By the way, you guys are not limited only to viral funny videos like I did here. This is just an example to show you how this process works, but you can literally apply this to any types of videos. Just make sure that they get a lot of views. And you know that there is tons of videos on TikToks, so take advantage of that. And like I said, just choose videos with high demand that get millions of views. You don't want to choose videos that no one watch or care about, but if you have no idea on what other videos you can search for, then you can just go to Google and search for the most viral niches on TikTok, and it should give you a lot of great ideas and keywords that you can search for. Now just click one of these results here, for example. Let's see this one, and then just scroll down a little bit, and here we go. So, for example, you can search for funny dances, and let's see what else you can search for. So another niche is dark comedy, for example, and the list goes on and on. I think you got the point now. So after you take a screenshot of the video, the next step is you want to go to this free website that is called canva.com. By the way, you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you live. All you need is an internet connection and your computer or your smartphone. The first thing you want to do here is creating your account if you don't have one already. Very easy, just click where it says sign up and you can then sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account or email. Once you do that, then go to create a design and then click on custom size and type here 1080 by 1920 and hit create new design. Now what you want to do first is go to uploads. To upload or screenshot image, just click here and then select the image from your device and it will start uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can just drag it to our page here and you can easily move it around if you want to. You can also make it smaller or bigger, so I'm just going to keep it like this for the next step. Now go and click on elements right here. And what you want to do is drag this shape as well to our image. And if you want to, you can also change the color from here, but I will just keep this color for now. What I'm going to do is just resize it like this, because we are going to have a text on this shape. Now click on this text icon right here, and then click this text where it says add a heading, and just drag the text to the rectangle up here, and then type in, "Oh my God, viral video." Now, if you want to change the font of this text, you can just click here and then pick another one. The one I'm going to use is this one called Anton. I also want to change the color from black to white. You can do that from here, so I'm just going to pick white now. We are almost done with this image. There's only one step left. What you want to do is go back to Elements and then search for a play button. And what you have to do is drag one of these play buttons again to our image. You can use this blue one, it's what I've been using myself as well. And just make sure it's in the middle. Now we are going to download the image, and to do that just click on Share, and then click on Download right here. Finally click Download again, and your image will start downloading. In the next step, I will show you how are we going to use this image and this TikTok video to make money online easily and effortlessly. As you can see here, these are some payment proof of people that are earning money daily using this method. This person here just made $5 today. This one just made $6. This one just made $10. This one made $10 and the list goes on and on. And by the way, if you are still watching, comment your country name below. So the next website we are going to use is Pinterest.com. This is the website that we will use to make money online with TikTok videos and our image. Pinterest gets millions of visitors every single day, especially from the United States. Now, first thing you want to do is create your account. Once you do that, then go to Create and then select Create Pin right here. Now double-click here to upload the image that you made. Just select the image from your device. Now what you should do is type the title of your TikTok video here. In my case, the title of the video I used is Crazy Monkey. Well, I would just type that in here as well. Then also make sure you add to the title. Watch now, this one you can just leave it blank. It's not very important. And the next thing is we will need to add our link here. This is the tricky part. So now people on Pinterest will see your image and they will click on the link you put here so they can watch the actual video. But if you put the link of the TikTok video directly here, the video will get a lot of views from Pinterest because Pinterest has so much traffic. But you should not put the link of the video directly here because you are not going to make any money if you do that. Instead, I'll show you how to put your own link here that will earn you money whenever someone clicks on it. So make sure you give this video a good thumbs up as well. Now to create the link that we will put here that will make us money, go to this website that is called shrinkme.io. First thing, click register to create an account. So just fill out your information here and then check I'm not a robot. Also check this other box and click register. Then just verify your email and log in, and this is how your dashboard will look like. By the way, the minimum you can withdraw from this website is only $5. They also have different payment methods like Bitcoin, PayPal, and much more. Now let's just go back to the homepage, and what you want to do is click New Shorten Link and then paste the link of the TikTok video here. In my case, this is the video that I will copy its link, and once you paste it there, just click where it says Shorten, and now all you have to do is copy this link and then paste it to Pinterest here. Now to be able to publish an image, you will first need to create a board, and to do that, just click here, and then click where it says Create a Board, and just name it whatever you like and then hit Create. Now finally, all you have to do is just click where it says Publish, and it will be published to Pinterest. But sometimes they don't accept links from ShrinkMe. If that happened to you, you can just use this website as a bridge or as a middleman. It's called Linktree. What this website will do is it will change your ShrinkMe link to another link that will get accepted on Pinterest. But that link will still lead to ShrinkMe. So here you guys have it. Now everyone that's going to visit your ShrinkMe link, you will make money now. If you also want to make money online just by watching ads, watch this video next and see you soon. Bye.